Hi, I'm Laura. Here at Waltons Garden Buildings, we are passionate about helping you make the most out of your garden, which is why today I'm going to be showing you how to transform your log cabin into the ultimate artist hideaway. Our corner log cabins make the perfect arts and crafts getaway, with two opening windows that flood the interior with light, plus a large side shed which is great for storing everyday gardening equipment. Every creative needs a desk to work at. We upcycled this desk using some spare wooden boards which we gave a new coat of paint and a bit of TLC. The shelves above the desk are the perfect place to store all of your art supplies and display your finished artwork. Pens, pencils and paints are just a few of the supplies you'll need to complete your art space. Add in a few decorations like flowers and you're good to go. Sometimes the choice between a desk and an easel can be a hard one, but with our spacious log cabins, that's nothing you need to worry about. We've placed our easel next to one of our large windows, so it's bathed in natural light. Of course, it shouldn't be all work, no play, which is why we've also added a cozy chair and footstool, an ideal space for reading, looking out over your garden, or even admiring your new artwork with a lovely cup of tea. And there you have it, your dream art studio. If you want some more tips on how to decorate your garden buildings, we've got tons of articles and videos for you to watch. Be sure to follow us on social media, and I'll see you next time.